Hello friend, now we are here to understand the Panda library, how we can do some data processing, how we can implement the filters, how we can apply group by and all these things. Some keywords are there which if you will apply regular practice then you will learn. So for that first of all we need to know that every manipulation can be done only if you have a data. So to generate the data in Pandas data framework is the very important by which if you have a structure, so basis of the structure you can generate the table. So for that, we have created a structure. This is the list of items. You can see here list of the items. So to generate the class, what we can do, we can we can generate the structure, and with this structure we can write the print here. Write only that this is the PD is the area of pandas and data framework. Inside the data framework, data is there. Once we will put the data and then print the df, it will show you the structure. Let me show you the thing. This is the your table value. Right now, what we have to do, once we will write the table value. After that, once we get the table value, after that we will write few manipulation. Right. One manipulation I am going to do is we will come one by one. Right. As you can see, line number 10 show you the table list. After that, I apply group by of the department and salary mean. So what it will give? It will give the salary group by the two department, which is Aman and Neha is a same department. It will convert into one department, and salary means 60,000, 50,000. Average is 55,000. Let me run it. So 55,000 department becomes three only because group by we implemented the group by, so ITHR and finance, ITHR and finance 55, right? So this is something of the department group by and salary mean. Now we are coming with rest of the things. We are applying a where clause. Let me show you that if salary is greater than 50,000, so you can see 50,000 salary is Neha and Priya. So let us run it and see the output. Yep, Neha and Priya have 50,000. Right. After that, what we will do, drop the duplicates and print it. Let me clear all these things. Yep, you can see first is the structure. Line number 10 show you the table. Line number 12 show you the group by department salary, and line number 40 gives you the where clause, which is this one. This is the output of line number 14. After that, what we are going to do, need to know what is the value of the line number 16. So line number 16, drop duplicates. So if you record have any duplicate value, then it will duplicate record removal keyword. But we do not have. Do we have? Let's see. in our table, do we have any duplicate? We have four records. In these four records, no, we do not have any duplicate record. So this is the something. That's why we get all the record as it is, right? And then line number 17. Line number 17 is saying df duplicate and is null. If null, then submit. So we can see that is null is used for the areas of the data frame and detect the missing value. So we have missing value? No. So what it will? It will come to the zero. So Neha, Priya means sorry, name, department, salary, and age. Any do we have anything which is the duplicate? No. So what it will? It will give the zero, 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 zero. Now to understand very easily what we can do, let me write one record with the same name, right? I'm writing Aman here. I'm trying to generate the Aman IT. I'm trying to generate a duplicate record. Let's see what happens. I also don't know, but yes, we are trying to learn. So you can see right now. Okay, let me clear one thing. Let me clear the window. Yes, now let's try. Yep, you can see now five records are there. Aman, Aman, twice, finish, HR, yeah, and IT. That is fine. This is the average, and here the max value where clause which we implemented, and after that this is where clause, right? And after that this is the where clause which salary is greater than 50,000. This is that one. Then drop duplicate. Once we duplicate, Aman is removed from here, right? And df dot is null sum. So any record have a null? No. So what it will show you the sum in zero. I hope you understand, but still if you have that, please comment. I will try to explain you all these things as well as if you want the code, then I will also share. But for that, you need to comment your mail ID. I will send there. Thank you.